Hello everyone. So today is a nice and bright sunny day and we're heading out to Skardu to get our son's Ibrahim's admission in the school. The school starts, when did the school start? School has started, but because of the snow the kids are going to come by the 10th. So we're going today to give his paperwork and then so he can start school. And also we're starting to cultivate the land that we have at the rented house. We're going to get some seeds and plant them. Tomorrow apparently in Skardu and Sugar there is a planting day and you get seeds for a very discounted price from all nurseries, because then you can go around plant them. So we're going to do that too. I'll make a video for that for you guys tomorrow. And yes, there has been no update in the past 2-3 days. It was snowing, we didn't have Wi-Fi. So yes, we have Wi-Fi also. There's a generator running right behind me. We have a generator. And yes, a lot has been sorted. A lot has to be done. So stay tuned and you'll have more updates. This is a polo ground. Apparently polo is a very commonly played game in Skardu and Sugar. So they have many polo grounds here. They all have horses and then they have matches. So yes, this is one of the polo grounds. It's right opposite the Sugar Fort, which is also turned into Serena Hotel. And we are on our way to Skardu. This is the way out. This is Sugar. It's like a nice small village where we live. And this is Mubarak Bhai, our all-in-one. He does everything for us. He's brilliant. So yes, stay tuned and look at these mountains. If you can see, if I can get a better view. Look at these beautiful mountains. Beautiful view. Look at those clouds. Okay then, see you. This is the way to Skardu. This is the road and these are the views. Look at these incredible mountains all around. These are completely filled with snow right in front of us. And this is just breathtaking. Desert here in Sugar, just about enter the Skardu district. This is a desert which is called the Golden. There are these tents, if you can see, red and blue. These people are taking out gold apparently, and look at the color of this water. It's just perfect, and it gets darker as the summer arrives. This is the school that Ibrahim is called Public College Skardu, Public School and College Skardu. They have all different names here, and so we're just going in for his admission. Let's see what happens. And this is the school. It's a huge campus. It's a brilliant school apparently, run by the army. They also have a separate section for autistic kids, which is brilliant.